everyone, welcome back to Appalachian Heatstead. Woo, it is another sweltering day here. So, last video kind of got that thing off, that thing there finished off, and I had all intentions of going up and milling the rest of the shingles for that today, and that didn't turn out so well. Turns out that the $30 I sent to Amazon for the drive belt, because the drive belt was falling apart last time I used it, they never sent it, never refunded my money, and I kind of like just forgot about it because of hay and all the rain and everything. So called them today, and well, just gave them money back because the third-party seller just, I guess, was just going to keep my money and not send me anything. So I ended up ordering that from eBay. I called around here, and they wanted $42 for that belt, and eBay has them for $13. So I'm a cheap SOB. So the 3 days that I have to wait for that belt's fine with me. So what I'm going to end up doing here is I am going to got the brush hog on. This is the first time I've had it out this year. Got it greased up. Tractor's all ready to go. So what we're doing is I'm going to go down and do the outside rounds on my uncle's fields. Because it looks like today's Sunday. Looks like we have, 80-90% chance of thunderstorms Monday, Tuesday, and then we have 7 days of no rain. So I am going to do the outside rounds, and come Wednesday, we're mowing again. So these fields are flat, but they're wet, and this will tell me how wet that field really is. Because there's a creek that runs through the middle of it, and all the water coming from my side of the road goes onto him. So hopefully it's not too wet, but I'll take you along for that. We're just going to run around the outside edge maybe once or once and a half, and so we don't break anything, then cross the creek, do the same thing again, and we'll see where that takes us here. Hopefully nothing flies apart. Knock on something. Here's some wood right here. Woo! Knock on wood. So yeah, but all right, let's go.
Up before the sun breaks, old tractor coughs to life. Hills roll out like a waves, cut through morning mist. Been working this same ground since I was knee-high. Equipment seen better days, but it gets the job done. Making hay on these rolling hills. Old iron, oh, old iron, still got time to kill. Making hay till the daylight fades. Old iron, oh, old iron, these are the good days. Oh yeah. Dust kicks up behind me, sweat stings my tired eyes. Every blade of grass tells a story of its own. Grandfather worked these fields, father did the same. Now it's my turn to carry on this simple way of life. Making hay, oh, old iron, still got time to kill. Making hay till the daylight fades. Old iron, oh, old iron, these are the good days. Oh yeah. hills. La 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 la. Oh yeah, making hay on these rolling hills. Old iron, old iron, still got time to kill. Making hay till the daylight fades. Old iron, these are the good days. Making hay, making hay. Old iron, these are the good days. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Check this out. This creek. I don't know if you can see all the logs washed up on here. Look at this. Never, ever have I ever seen that since I lived here since 1979. This was just like a week ago. So that's how deep this was and how much crap they pulled down out of here. Crazy. Absolutely nuts. All of the debris up in the field were actually drifted coming down through the field right here. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, where all this is matted down. Drift was all through here. So I don't know what this is going to be like. All right, let's go. All right, well, there's the pond. It's I guess it's about an acre. My grandfather and a couple of my uncles dug this way back in the day before you had to have a permit to do everything. So it's fed by a spring, several springs. It's about, I guess, 10 feet deep in the middle, but it has bass and bluegill in it. Well, I got to go down here, right in front of the tractor here, pick a bunch of logs that is washed up. I can't believe how much that has washed from that rain. I mean, we had lots and lots of rain. So, all right, well, I should be mowing on Wednesday, so you probably won't see that one until, I don't know, Saturday. So, yeah. So anyways, we're going to go back up, drop this mower off. I think I'm done with it for a while. And then, I don't know, we might just call it a day. It's Sunday. It's hot and miserable, although a breeze has started, so it's pretty nice. So I still haven't made the executive decision just to cut all this at once. I just might, though. Just have it done, because if the weather doesn't change, I'm just gonna blast this. I'm gonna knock all this down and just get it all in. So I only have 2 real small fields to do then, and then I'll be done. So, all right. Thanks for watching, people. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and all my new subscribers over the past, I don't know, 2 weeks. Really appreciate it. I got me over my 1,000. I just got to get my watch time up, and I might be able to make a couple cents off of these videos. So appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.